Hi, my name is Tony Lee, and I took Dave Thompson's Masterclass Trainer Workshop. I thought the class was very good and very insightful. It brought a lot of knowledge when it came to using different techniques and using certain equipment. We went over a lot of different methods to clean different types of surfaces, different floors. We did a lot of bidding, and we were able to cover a lot of ground in those 4 days, and I think the experience gave me the knowledge to actually excel in the real world when it came to the janitorial services. I also met a lot of different business owners who had their own practice, who may work for other companies, and we were able to share our experiences and kind of learn from each other. So overall, I think the Master Trainer Workshop was very helpful for me, and I would highly recommend it for other applicants who are looking for similar experiences.